This is Prince from Pristech TV. We thank God for our life today. But please, guys, today we are coming to learn another legitimate and the best way to make money from the MTN, which is one of the best service provider in Africa. And I hope MTN is working in Nigeria, Togo, and other Africa countries. I know MTN is a very broad network and one of the service provider in Africa, as I said. Today I will take my time to tell you or to show you how to invest your money in MTN platform, which is one of our best service provider in Ghana here. And those of you who are in Nigeria and other countries can also try if the MTN is working there. MTN, let me take this opportunity to advise you with this. There are many platforms that are dealing with investment, and we call it investment companies. And investment companies, many of them are flawed, especially those cryptocurrencies platforms and others, which are normally in day in day out creatable, which is developing day in day out in the system. So MTN is as we all know, the very legitimate place which you can invest your money and you make money from there day in day out. And the money which will be invested or invest in can be withdrawn at any time. The money you invest can be withdrawn and the profit too can be also withdrawn anytime. But please note, the more you invest, as you know, the rules and regulation concerning the investment or investing, the more you invest, the higher profit you make. The more you invest, the higher profit you make. Those of you who are in Ghana, me I'm in Ghana, you can start with even 1 cedi or 5 cedis. Yes, you can invest, you can start with a minimum investment of 5 Ghana cedis, and 5 Ghana cedis you will start receiving percentage of that money you invested. Okay, apart from this or aside this, if you want to make money online with affiliate marketing, ebook creation, YouTube creation, and others, I have a tutorial which will take you step by step how to do everything. I will leave that book link in the video description below so that when you click on it, you have it for yourself and you make cool on that tutorial. You make cool from that tutorial. And if you want to learn how to create your logo using your smartphone too, I've leave that link to in the video description. And you have the hardware tutorial, software, which is Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, and others. I will leave that video too in the description below. And if you want to know how to create your own product, like if you purchase the ebook creation and other softwares, I've mentioned, and as I said, I will leave the video description there. I will leave the description in the video below. When you click on it and you are able to learn it very well and create your own book, you can sell it in your platform, in your own platform that you create. So if you want to learn how to create a WhatsApp e-commerce platform, I will leave that link too in the video description below. And it is very important. It is very, very important. You can learn this, purchase these skills and learn it and make money cool for yourself. The moment you purchase this tutorial or you purchase this course, you start everything with zero capitals and make money huge from this. Without wasting my time, please let me take you straight to the steps or the reason why we are doing this tutorial today. Open your dial pad and type or dial *170# our normal MTN Momo code. Then you select your SIM, MTN Momo SIM. Then you select 5, which is financial services. 5 financial services. And you select 2 savings. 2 savings. And you have the one which is yellow save, 2 Sika save, 3 Peswa Susu, and 0 back. You will choose one, which is the main MTN investment platform, which is yellow save. Then you click on one, register. Sorry, you select one for register. Yes, yellow. To view terms and condition, select one. So let's select one because we want to know the terms and condition concerning this. Select one. Yes, 8% per interest rate withdrawal. 8% per interest rate. Withdrawals allowed anytime to your Momo wallet. Interest rate may change with prior notice. Register. So if you want to register, then you select one, then you hit or press send. Service is currently unavailable. Enter application and please try again later. We take a lesser time before, that's why our application is down. So let's dial it again. Select one. Sorry, dial *70#. Then you select your MTN SIM, which is the one you've registered with the Momo. Then you select 5, which is financial services. Then you select 2, which is savings. Sorry, 2, savings. We are come to invest our money here. Then you select 1, yellow save. Now you know the terms and conditions. You click on register. Yes, then you select 2, which is I've read and proceed to register. The moment you click on that, it will automatically register you. Full terms and conditions available at fidelitybank.com. So yellow save is powered by Fidelity Bank. Then you press 1 to proceed. Yes, it's because of the network, that's why our application is done, and we take the time the time we spend is too fast. So you can repeat or do it very fast because of the time duration. If you delay, it will cancel. So you select 5, which is financial services. To savings. This is where I have do my investment. If you rely on other companies, sorry, you select one. If you rely on other companies, your money will fly without catching them up. So you select one. This is the best and the safest place to invest your money. This is the best and safest place to invest your money. So sorry, keep on trying, it will come. Keep on trying. I don't want to use one of my account to show you. My first account, I have registered it successfully, and you can withdraw your interest and the money you invested at any time. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to receive more valuable content like this. And I always want to show or tell you something that will also help you and I to enjoy the better standard of living. Because of the financial crisis in the world, things are tough now. So with this, many things will be done equally. Let me take this opportunity to introduce this to you, how you can buy a cheap data, how you can get a cheap data from MTN, which is you can use it to buy airtime and also have some bundle for your WhatsApp. So that's *5, sorry, first *57#. You select your SIM card, which is MTN. Then you select mashup, which is 1. Then you select 1. You select 2. See here, you can buy credit 0.07 to 4.99. The moment you want to make a call, just whenever you buy a credit, don't use it at that instant. Just dial this code and use this one, or you can choose 10, sorry, 0.08 or 09. Yes, then you select, which is you get 1.29 megabytes and 1.42 minutes. You can use this to make a call. Then you select either your airtime or your mobile money. Then you choose and you press send, and your money will be credited into your account. And this will help you to save more money because you will spend more airtime. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Bye bye.